Programming. There are three types of programming. They are ordinary programming, asymmetric programming, and memory programming. The first one, ordinary programming. First, select the group. And then input the data one by one. The next one, asymmetric programming. You can input the data here. Here, the system has already calculated each data. Here is echo programming. The last one, memory programming. After knifing, the system will automatically memorize the data. After programming, you have two choices to save the data. One is to press Run and Save. That means you save the data in the group you have already selected. The other is to press Save. That means you can select other groups to save the data. And you can also give it a name. Sure. The data is here. There are four states here. A means cut, B means push, C means order, D means press. You can order it as needed. It can be altered here, or press Alter to alter it. In the process of inputting data, if you want to insert a row of data, press Insert. If you want to delete a row of data, press Delete. Long press Delete. It can delete data of the whole group.